Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Esign certificate application on your iOS device. First I will show you my device also iOS 18.2, so all iOS device working this process. First you can open this My App Store application and you just click and scroll down. There is all many game and application premium version available mode IPA. No need any IPA file, directly install from the My App Store. If you want to buy My App Store, just check this video comment box and buy from me. There is GTA 5. So now I'll show you how to install Esign. Just click and install button. Just wait 10 seconds. I have already installed Esign, so I will first delete, then I will show you without REVOKE how to install. Just click install and wait 1 second. Go home screen. Install complete without REVOKE Esign application on your Apple device. Just allow agree, and so now you can see the completely done this Esign application download, and all many application, WhatsApp and everything, YouTube, TikTok and Netflix, PUBG, Free Fire, Call of Duty, all game IPA available in this store.